Welcome back to another video. I'm currently passing through a small town near Shaver Lake, located in the Western Sierras in California. Today I'm heading towards a campground where I'll be meeting up with some friends this weekend. Stay tuned to see where I end up. There's one of the main entrances to the lake. The lake's just beyond these trees right here. And we should be able to get our first glimpse of the lake right here on the right-hand side. I'm not going to be stopping there for camping, but it's definitely a great spot to spend the Labor Day weekend. It's hard to see through the trees over there. Let's see. They've got all kinds of water sports and camping all along the lake. So that's another great spot to go. There's another quick look at Shaver Lake. It kind of opens up the further up you go, and bigger and deeper waters. You can see it right here from the road. A lot of boats parked over there too. So as you can see on the map right here, got like another 30 minutes or so to go. We got to continue on up that hill. Let's go. I've still got about 20 minutes until I reach the campground, but this lower area looks like they had a really bad fire. I'll have to find out when it happened. But this whole section down here, yeah, it looks like it's all burnt. Wow, what a difference. I haven't been here for a few years, so I'm sure the campground's gonna look a lot greener. Wait until you see. Okay, I don't know if you can see that, but beyond the trees there is Huntington Lake. And later on, maybe we'll get a closer look. I'll try to drive down there. But I'm gonna meet up with some friends of mine there at the campground further up the road. Yeah, it's been a few years since I've been here, but from what I remember, there's a road coming up here on the right, in about a mile. We're gonna turn up there, and then I'm looking for a small entrance to the campground, and then you drive through some trees back to an open area, and that's where the whole group should be. I found it. I found the little turnoff right there. The sign is like broken. This is the road right here though. Yeah. Let's see if I can find it. They should be back here somewhere. I think I found their campsite. Hello, Buzz. I made it to the campsites. All right, we arrived at the campsite. Peter's gonna show me his camper van. Check this out. You can set up on the roof. Welcome to Piotr's home for the next few days.
De mi casa. Casa de Pedro.
I got a kitchen in here.
Put the light on. Kitchen right here.
Can you dim the light? Does it come with a dimmer to set the mood?
Yeah.
Oh, snap.
Turn on the LED lights.
And
Do a
then we
light
got
show.
2-burner stove. We got a e-cooler right there. Got a lot of storage here. All sorts of stuff.
Nice.
Queen bed. Got battery over there, power, storage down there, more storage, AC unit.
Looks pretty spacious and comfortable, but more importantly, how do you get to the roof?
Let's go to the rooftops.
Check out the rooftops. You know, for the nighttime star viewings.
Yeah, we got the chair set up. Let's check it out.
Time to enjoy a pivo.
Here.
Is this going to support our weight up here?
Kai, can you sit down for a minute? Yeah.
Support my weight?
Yeah.
Kind of wobbly, huh?
Yeah.
We're going to have a look around the forest. Right now I'm just going to enjoy this view from this rooftop and this nice beer from the Beechwood Brewery. So I got my campsite set up. Tent's ready to go. Actually got to walk over to the other camp right now and get the sleeping pad. Someone's gonna loan me one. So this is the bigger camper area.
So you were able to get the motorhome in there, right?
Oh yeah, someone was. It's not mine, but that's a tight fit.
Yeah. Especially on
Yeah. Is there fish down there? Look at the front screen it's got on the new one, see? Let's see if you're in there.
Hello, my friend.
Hello, boys.
The trip is begins.
Camping trip's commencing.
That's a good quality.
Yeah, it's good quality. I put on new 10-bit color too. Looks nice. We're gonna walk up to the other camp, right? Oh, they caught some fish and they're smoking the fish right now. So we're gonna head over to the other campground, say hi to some of the old friends. Just follow this road up here and make it right, huh? Gotta go through the woods to get to the camp. Wow, look at this. Let's see the general. I've been waiting to see the general for years. How you doing?
How you doing? The same shit like every day.
Starting to get cold. Yeah, nice fire there right now. You can even see yourself this way. See the front screen?
Oh yeah. This is a very smart camera.
It's a good-looking man right there.
Yeah,
Look at that.
see?
Handsome man.
Yeah, I am a little younger.
Yeah, younger than I am. Young at heart.
Yeah.
This is where the regular road ends and the adventure begins. Right, boys? Going to the springs. Okay, we arrived just a few minutes ago. Changing in my swim trunks. And you may also see that I'm wearing a rain jacket. That's because it was pouring rain a few minutes ago. So the rain's coming and going. Now we're gonna cross the river to the hot springs. So this is gonna be a little tricky, guys. I got this ice chest with me. It's kind of heavy. Holding the camera in one hand. And I gotta cross this river over here on that narrow tree. So hopefully I don't take a plunge and fall in. Yeah, I gotta cross this with the shoes. Wish me luck. I'm gonna fall in. Someone will record this? What? I'll get it when I get on the other side. Here we go. So I eventually made it across that log. And here we are at the hot springs.
Okay, just let me relax, okay?
Dude.
You want to go to the river.
Sporting the neck tan from Europe.
Cool, guys.
Circulatory system.
Is this Old Pedro? That's the name of this one? Old Pedro?
Cold water done? In the Carson
Good, it's
River.
raining hard now.
I jumped in the river. Oh my god.
Oh dang.
In the snow.
I'm gonna go in. Alright, it was a great time. Now it's time to head back to the campground. We got Thomas Cross right now. A few more people to go. Not too bad. This is the part where you have to kind of step in the water a little bit. Ooh. Few more steps to go. Made it, guys. We were there for like 3 or 4 hours. Gotta carry all this stuff just across the river. It's crazy. After soaking in the hot springs, it was time to head back to camp. Tomorrow we're heading down the hill from our campground to Huntington Lake. At the end of day 2, we gathered around the campfire, and later that evening we experienced a heavy thunderstorm. The rain was relentless. Let's see what day 3 has in store. All right, good morning. This is day 3 from Badger Flats Campground in the Western Sierras. And today, it's raining a little bit this morning, but in just a few minutes, we're going to be heading down to Huntington Lake. So we're going to pack up soon and head on out for a day trip. Hello, boys. Guten Morgens. Where are you guys heading? Heading down to the bridge down there. Alright, it's time to roll out. Here. Before we head down to the lake, we're gonna go say hi to the other group of campers over here. And Peter's returning the ATV right now. Here he comes. Looks like it might rain all day today. Some people are packing up, getting ready to head out today. We're going to stay one more night. Guten Morgen. Dzień dobry.
Guten Morgen.
Cheers.
Cheers.
All right, guys. Stopped for a little bit. Now we're heading to the lake finally. Let's go.
Huntington Lake.
This is Huntington Lake, yeah. See if we can find something to eat and grab a cup of coffee. This is where the fire went through back in what, 2020?
I think so.
A large area of this was burnt down. Just arrived at the county fair. I should say just local fair. Look at this sign over here, Peter.
Thank you, Nathan. Okay, back to Darren.
All right, again, a big round of applause for all of our community organizations that came out today and are supporting and giving back to our community. Also, big shout out to China Peak, providing this amazing facility to host these events.
It's cool, look at this fire rescue vehicle over here.
Enjoy that beautiful piece of art. Thank you.
It's part of the fire departments. Wow. There's a music stage behind me. We're going to see if the band plays here in a minute. Despite the rain, they're still putting the event on. pizzas there. I think it's time to head back to the campsite though. Good little concert though right there. The concert was to benefit something called the Creek Fire that happened here recently. All right, we're gonna head back to the campground. We returned to the camp and had a nice bowl of warm soup, preparing for the evening because more rain clouds might be rolling in soon. After spending all day down by Huntington Lake in the cold, wet rain, we enjoyed a warm dinner and gathered around the campfire before turning in for the evening. All right, it's the final day of camping and I woke up and there's like ice all over the ground. Thin layer of ice on the table here. All over the chairs too. All right, it's the last day and we're just leaving camp right now. We just packed everything up, heading back to the main road and back to civilization. I tell you, it'd be good to get a shower again, that's for sure. So here's another look at Huntington Lake before we head down the mountain. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video of my weekend trip to the Western Sierras in California. Stay tuned for more videos on this channel coming soon. Until then, make sure to like, subscribe, and share this video. Thanks again. Take care. Bye for now.